You are looking at a Dex product, Baby Connections teddy bear, that has a, I would say like a water womb heartbeat maybe sound to it. This is an older one. It has the Velcro that goes on the crib. And on the back, this is his little sound thing. He's held in there really tight with Velcro. You can put the knob out and twist it to turn him on. We're going to listen to him for a second while he's inside the bear. He is a plush stuffed animal, very soft. There's a little picture of the tag. Let's see if we can get that to where, yeah, you can see that maybe. The light is just, there we go. Maybe there we go. And on the other side, that's where you see the Baby Connections. This is the volume control, also on, off. Volume control. He takes 2 AA batteries. He's about 10 inches in height from tush to head. This battery sound control comes out. We're going to pull him out here for you. He comes completely out. So here you go. It says Dex products on there. There's the sound. There's where the batteries would go, 2 AA batteries. Made in China. This is a 1996 Dex product. So it is a vintage 90s stuffed animal. Again, let's turn the little voice control on, or the noise control, not really a voice. How loud it is outside of the bear. I think it's supposed to represent the mom's heartbeat when the baby's inside the mama's belly. It's very soothing. He's very easy to wash. You can take this out and put him in the wash machine. It just goes right back in here. Very easily. Velcro on both sides like that, so it goes around the knob. And then you can turn it off or turn it down. We're going to turn them off. There you go. It is a Dex product, Baby Connections crib, or a playpen, or a pack and play, or just a play area. Bassinet maybe. That'll do it for us today. Have an awesome evening.